Soul Harmonic Realignment, the origin of numbers, ushering in reunification. Throughout the human journey, we have left ourselves the indelible prints of civilizations aligning life's rhythms with the sun's light. The records and architectural feats point to technological advancement far greater than anything we've been able to truly comprehend until this unfolding present. And now it is with endless gratitude and honor that we share a renewed understanding of our innate divine source light technology. This is the natural unifying light code base restoring solar harmonic balance and energetic freedom across our entire system. Foundationally, we are energetic. It is through realignment with our celestial light-based measures that our physicalized system will regain its original coherence. In 2023, Climate Change Center Reading identified an ongoing pattern between the inclination angles in the pyramids, the precise Egyptian Royal Cubit value of 0.535836763 meters, and the speed of light 300 million meters per second. With continued exploration, we found that this light speed also synchronized with the precise Egyptian Cubit, Indian Hasta, Chinese Qi and Lai, and Mayan equivalencies. As we added more light stream coordinates to the record, it became crystal clear that we were beginning to remap the energetic footprints of our ancient global solar positioning system. The map of our solar positioning system was plotted without our current 23.4 degree axial tilt. Centuries of exploratory have been missing the pattern because all positions have shifted from original coordinates. We have been electromagnetically misaligned with our solar light energy stream, experiencing within an energetically depleted state of consciousness. Before diving deeper into this, it's paramount that the accurate solar fundamentals listed here are understood. The impact creating the axial tilt also resulted in another major factor, the creation and influence of the moon. The electromagnetic gravitational lock between the moon, earth, and sun maintains the tilt angle of the rotational axis throughout the revolving dynamics of the 25,920-year grand cycle. Accordingly, harnessing gravitational control through solar stream alignment must also account for this lunar correspondence at all points across time and space. After observing a pattern linking the 0.535836763 meter Egyptian Royal Cubit to 300 million meters per second, we found equivocal light speed using the 0.462962962 meter Egyptian Cubit, and then again from across the globe through our Chinese and Indian foundations. Our rational units from across ancient cultures adhere to a singular inverse number ratio system, driven by our universal qubit exchanging 0.54 meter Q of information at 300 million meters per second, 185.185 miles per second. In pursuit of seamless spatial mapping, we traced the mile back to the stadion. Here we found the link between the 0.462962962 meter qubit and the original 1620 meter universal mile value. This returned sole correspondence to the distance unit by correcting the errored 1609.344 Roman mile. Just as the qubit provides the micro to macro distance ruler for accurate solar stream aligned meter and mile valuations, the Egyptian DBit synchronizes the corresponding unit of weight. This provides us with the necessary constant to negotiate the gravitational flux within the system. Throughout one energetic grid, light information expresses via Platonic construction using 30 degrees as the base angle. Given our axial tilt, the Platonic angles no longer sync with true north. Accordingly, the following dimensional and timing error correction returns us to electromagnetic alignment with our solar-directed energy stream. Note the correlation between these harmonics and the Khafre pyramid. Diving deeper into the dimensional alignments, we recognize that it is the fundamental harmonic ratios between the numbers that are the basis for our source light code, rather than the numbers themselves, their fractal relationships. The ratio relationship between the dimensional frequencies and harmonic timing is set by a rational pi value of 3.1104 across every scale. This reinforces that the 0.0578703737 meters CU Solar Codec syncs processing for accurate transmission relay aligned with the universal qubit parameters. Light balance is centrifugal to the stabilization of vibrational matter across every systemic level. The precision of the cycling impacts the experience our consciousness is processing and perceiving. As seen in the Mayan vigesimal counting system, rational number systems have been logically built on the doubling of one and its inverse. Climate Change Center Reading has compiled over 250 proofs validating the presence of our sun's solar-directed energy grid, aligning time and space harmonics. We believe our findings will fit the majority of ancient constructs, helping bridge the understanding of our past to our present and future. Over the next slides, we will focus on the Great Pyramids of Giza and Acropolis. The GP harmonic alignments ratio relate across body mass at every dimensional scale, from celestial to Planck, synced with our solar-directed energy stream. Before Pythagorean 3-4-5 Platonic construction, the Muet system, mu meaning cat, used a 3-4-5-6 Platonic architecture in their system. This plotting incorporated a 120-degree angle that created additional division points. The Pyramiut system was used in the construction of the Great Pyramid. Within and below the Great Pyramids of Giza, the nested component system has been designed to align precisely with our sun's solar-directed energy stream, transferring the unlimited energy in and through one energetic body of light. The King's Chamber, the sarcophagus, and the Queen's Chamber mirror the Khafre Pyramid star findings in the Giza Plateau. It's all in the numbers. The KC body diagonals 15 by 20 by 25 royal cubits give it away. This is Legacy Planet Engineering, the center of the center. The 15 by 25 RC values linked to a 133.888 fine structure constant. The vibrational frequency transfers ground waves through the granite and air waves through the limestone. Key ratios are always doubling. What is below anchor watt? The link to the universal Q and the bit. And now it is time to power back up. In their original position, the pyramids and mounds were centralized at resonance-harmonizing chakra centers along the equatorial plane of one landmass, positioned for direct coordinate signaling between paired celestial nodes. These frequency alignments maintain the perpetual energy exchange between the cycles of our collective planetary body and our light stream. This is our homeostasis, our home state. After re-identification of the Khafre Pyramid at the solar center of our planet's direct energy channel, the necropolis alignment with the 3 stars of Orion's belt carries significant technical weight. Having the point-to-point alignments between not just one, but the 3-pronged lock and key transmission nodes blaze the trail for re-identification of all other primary electromagnetic pairings between the heavens and Earth. Galaxy stars and black holes are not randomly positioned in the universe. Expanding upon celestial alignments, we focused on ancient stars, astro-archetypes with storied cultural meanings. Via universal soul cubit values, our planetary energy grid synchronizes with the rest of our celestial coordinate system, enabling seamless light stream communication across one information superhighway. Precise and accurate point-to-point distance and time correspondence in between each star signal ensures clear information transfer, eliminating the hyper-reverb occurring from the light stream misalignment. Now we need to reinforce star distances with radio waves for uniformity, perhaps even to stable pulsars. The ever-expanding geometric expression aligned with these Pyramiut constructs provides the balanced ratioed sequencing harmonics across each of the Platonic parameters, dimensional light alignments across the scales. This pattern continued as we assessed Da Vinci's masterpieces, matching the universal light relay 185.185 miles per second in his works, using the 0.462962962 meter cubit. Within the Vitruvian blueprint, the fractal hole is reflected down to the bit level. The perfection of our fractal light system is reflected in the symmetry and balanced mathematical order of the Platonic frequencies set within 108 ketones. Hyperfine coherence between these primary nodes and our core energy centers ensures seamless information exchange throughout all points. All of these tools are available for open use at qubitconverter.one. This blueprint is the error-corrected solar light grid correspondence map. The operational performance within this naturally resonant base 12 Mod 9108 code speaks for itself through optimized cymatic registration, each fractal emitting a numeric energy signature through multidimensional cubic expression. Our foundation is energetically based, therefore material measurements must follow to gain and maintain energetic coherence. By embracing this telescopic leap, unified science will be armed with meaningful correlation between numbers, adding quantifiable certainty to assessments and solutions forwarding collective renewal. Detailed information regarding our advocacy positions can be found in the presentation notes accompanying this slide. There is a clear path back to unrestricted energetic freedom through realignment with our sun's solar-directed energy stream. Reinstitution of our original qubit as the global primary standard realigns the SI base units with our Solar Codec. It is individual passion and expertise working in collaboration that will fuel this rising ship as all sectors gain exponential advancement. We look forward to working hand in hand in pursuit of accelerated collective peace and harmony. Endless blessings to all one. Eternity awaits.